Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to get live TV on your Galaxy A52. So for demonstration purposes, of course, we have our Galaxy A52 here. Now if you all are interested in this device, we will leave links for you to pick it up off of Amazon down in the description area. So the first thing we need to do to be able to get live TV on our device here, we need to locate the Play Store icon. So this is the Play Store icon there in the white with the diamond symbol in it. So once you locate that, go ahead and tap on it to open it. And then once you open it, go up to the search bar up to the top there. And we want to search for Samsung TV Plus. So go ahead and key that in. Once you get keyed in, you will come up with this right here with the purple icon with the orange TV picture in it. Once you get that, go ahead and download that to your device. Now once you get a download, go ahead and open it, and once it's open, it automatically puts you into live TV. And as you can see here, we have where it says CBS News here. You can go up on your volume, you can hear it playing. And so we're going to go back down on the volume here. Some things that you can do to see different things. So as you can see, this says news and opinion, so you see the different news channel. As you see, we have CBS here, you have Dateline, and some others. You can go to entertainment and look at those selections there. You can go to sports. You have your different sports going on here. Just make sure you look at the time to make sure it's playing. Let's see, we have something over here that says the after morning or the morning after. And that's playing. That looks like it's talking about some basketball. You can even slide over to where you can see Latino, you can see crime, you can see movies. And to get a bigger picture, what you can do is turn your device sideways like so, and the picture will get bigger. Then you can do some hand gestures where with your left thumb, if you go up and down, that would regulate the brightness of the picture. So if you go down, the brightness goes down. If you go up, the brightness gets brighter. And on the right side, you can go up and down for the volume. So if you go up, you'll start to hear the volume. And going down, take the volume down. Now what you can also do too is if you touch the screen, you'll see these lines here. It's like 4 little lines there. So touch it again. If you go there, you'll get a little slide-in menu where you can see what you're looking at. And so it says sports, and those are the channels. And so if you were to touch that there, you can jump to different stuff. Like you can jump to, like we say, game shows. And then it'll show you a list of game shows here. It says Game Match, Fear Factor. You can even go to movies. So if we were to slide up or slide down here, you can see your movie section. And it has some different movies right here. And if you were to tap on them, let's see what was said. Love Won't Let Me Wait. Let's tap on that. And tap on the screen. And take the volume up. You can see the different movies there. I'll be right there, okay? So all in all, I think this is a great app. This is just another little perk for Samsung users where you can get live TV on your device. So that's it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.